If you are dreaming of joining India's premier pure science and research institutions, stop whatever you are doing right now. The official press release for the ICER aptitude test, the IAT 2026, is officially out, and they have dropped a massive bombshell that changes everything. Listen to this very carefully. ICER will no longer accept JEE scores for the admissions. Let me repeat that. Your JEE advanced rank will not get a seat in ICER anymore. Starting from the academic year 2026-2027, admissions to all the 7 ICER campuses will be strictly and solely based on your performance in ICER aptitude test IAT. What is the impact of this? This is actually a massive victory for pure science lovers. For years, engineering aspirants used ICER seats as a backup plan. Now, the playing field is completely leveled. If you want to do research, you only compete with other students who want to do research. It's just you, your preparation, and the IAT exam. So over here, you can have a look on the press release that's been actually released today itself, 20th of March, saying admissions to 7 ICERs will be determined solely on the basis of IAT scores and not JEE scores. Application window closes on 13th April 2026. Now that you know the only gateway in is the IAT, you cannot afford to miss these official deadlines. Grab a pen and note these down. The online application window was officially open on Thursday, March 5th, 2026. But do not wait until the last minute because the application portal permanently closes on April 13, 2026. When is the big day? The IAT 2026 examination is scheduled for Sunday, June 7, 2026. This gives you a clear runway from your board exams to hyper-focus specifically on the IAT pattern, knowing that you don't have to juggle JEE Advanced Prep just to get into ICER. So, are you officially eligible to apply? Let's look at the strict criteria set by the committee. First, the passing year. You must have passed your class 12th board examination or equivalent in either 2025 or 2026. Older droppers are not eligible. Just have a look onto this particular press release. Second, your subjects. You must belong to the science stream and have taken at least 3 out of the following 4 subjects in class 12th: biology, chemistry, mathematics, and physics. Third, the percentage cutoff. If you belong to the general, OBC or OBC NCL categories, you need a minimum of 60% aggregate marks in your class 12th examination. For the students in SC, ST and PWD categories, the minimum requirement is 55%. If you meet these 3 conditions, you are officially in the race. By cracking the IAT, you are fighting for a seat at one of the 7 elite ICER campuses located in Berhampur, Bhopal, Kolkata, Mohali, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram and Tirupati. Most campuses offer the flagship 5-year BSMS dual degree program, which is known for its rigorous interdisciplinary curriculum. However, if you are specifically looking for a 4-year BS degree in engineering sciences or economic sciences, that is exclusively offered at ICER Bhopal. To lock in your application, you need to pay the application fee. It is rupees 2,000 for general, OBC and OBC NCL candidates. For SC, ST, PWD and Kashmiri migrant candidates, the fee is rupees 1,000. Dear ones, I just want you to note down the important dates. 13th April 2026, application portal closes. 16th to 18th April 2026, correction in application forms. 24th May 2026, release of exam hall ticket. 7th June 2026, ICER aptitude test examination date. So the exam will be conducted in between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you are advised to regularly check the official admission portal for the updates. It's mentioned over here and I'll be also providing you in the description box. So dear ones, concluding this particular video, I just want to say that Professor Sunil S. Bhagwat, the director of ICER Pune, stated in this release that ICER aims to create a dynamic academic environment that goes beyond textbooks, focusing on real-world challenges. By removing the JEE channel, ICER is ensuring that only the most dedicated, passionate science students enter their laboratories. To apply, you must go to the official website www.iceradmissions.in. So, are you happy that ICER removed the JEE score criteria? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with your study group and subscribe to the channel for more authentic, no-nonsense admission updates. Start studying for June 7th, and I'll see you in the next video.